We are the fighter of. Listen, are you guys ready? Now we'll go for a game. Word meaning game. You'll get 2 minutes. 120 সেকেন্ড সময় পাবো। এর মধ্যে যে যত বেশি ওয়ার্ড লিখতে পারবে সে হবে আমাদের আজকের বিজয়ী। Do you make understand? Any kind of word you can write. আপনার মনে যা আসবে তাই লিখতে পারবেন। No problem. No, don't need to write any Bengali word. Just you have to write English. It could be English fantasy. You'll get 2 words. Do you make understand? Sorry, ma'am? Yeah, no. Okay, listen. কেউ কারো দিকে তাকাবো না। আর যখন লেখা শেষ, when I will say time's up, সবাই খাতা। Like army. Okay. Listen, 1 minute. First of all, write your name. Write your name. Finally, we have got your result. Sir, go over there. First and second. Now I'll go for result. Second of the game, Mr. What should I say? Abdullah Mamun. Second. Who is the Abdullah Mamun? Hands together for Abdullah Mamun, sir. Sir, you are the second. So how about the feeling?
Thank you, sir. It's a pleasure. So, these types of game I will attend, and I can't believe I will be a first or second, but now I am feeling good, become a second position. So, thank you, English Fantasy, to arrange such a good arrangement. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, do you want to join this kind of program again and again?
Definitely, sir. We will want to again and again. You will arrange these types of game.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Very soon you'll get your gift. Now, I'm going to say first prize of the exam. First prize. Are you guys ready? Hey, are you guys ready? Mr. Salim. Where is the Salim? Where is the Salim? You are the Salim. You are the Salim. Thank you. Thank you so much. You are the Salim. Yes. Okay. Salim has written 65 words within a 3 minutes. 65 words.
Thank you, sir.
How are you feeling?
I am very happy, sir. Sir, I am very happy for join this game.
Do you want to join again?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Have you taken your phone? Okay, fine. So now we'll go for 5 minutes describing the place. Do you make understand? Open your camera and describe the place. Then we'll go for another game. Okay, so 5 minutes we'll go for describing about the place. Let's start. Everyone, go on. Huh? We are the